I'm visiting from Canada here. 10 years ago, I had a surgery for keratoconus with laser, and it left me with a scar in the middle of my pupil. So about 2 years ago, the problem started returning from keratoconus. I started losing my vision again very quickly, and I was experiencing extreme eye dryness. So in my search for the top doctor to help with my condition, we connected with Dr. Gulani, and I came for a thorough exam, which lasted actually hours, and I haven't seen that anywhere else around the world. That tailored approach to my condition, and then we came up with a plan together. I came to visit him in Florida. And then we decided to do moisture therapy, which is natural tear restoration, and then do a phased approach to help my complex condition. The care has been amazing here. I had my surgery yesterday. It was painless, and then the recovery is going really well. I don't feel any pain. What is absolutely remarkable is how Dr. Gulani and his team has taken care of me from the first call to book a visit to diagnostics to actual surgery. You feel really supported. You feel like they work backwards from the condition and make sure it's a tailored approach to your specific complexities and how he addresses it. The doctor is extremely supportive. Dr. Gulani called me a couple of times yesterday to check in on me. He knew I was visiting alone, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be in a clinic. Everything's on time, everything is organized, everything is really logical, supportive, and I couldn't wish for a better doctor to help me through this challenging time. And right now, I already see the first signs of seeing a little bit better than I did pre-operation, although the operation wasn't geared to give me a better vision. It was to stabilize the loss. So yeah, it's been a fantastic experience so far, and I know other people around the world feel the same because there are a lot of multicultural customers that I've met during my visit here. So thank you, Dr. Gulani and team.
Perfect.
Take care. Well, let me know how Andrea Bocelli does.
I will. That's another blind guy. Maybe you can.
I will. Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks.